What's up, guys? It's me again. It's cold outside, cold in the car, trying to keep the vibe up and everything. I'm off today. Thank Lord I didn't have to work today, which is great. But I kind of wish I was at work. I actually did go to work, but it wasn't work like I usually do. I had to finish a small thing that I had to do today instead of yesterday. I actually had work yesterday, but I had to leave that one part of the job for today. So this morning I went out and get it done, and now I have to go to Petco to get hamster bedding and sand, because I have to clean out my hamster cage so they get like a clean space to enjoy their time and stuff. So with that being said, let's go to Petco and get what we need, and then probably I might show you guys exactly the cleaning process and how it goes. It's a lot to do, and so I want to get them enough things to get them all cleaned up and stuff. So with that being said, let's go. And here we go. We are Petco. Let's go spend some money on. And then, oh man, outside looks lit as fuck. It's kind of like weird going outside lately. Ever since the election, I do not want to go anywhere that's outside. And it's kind of like one of those things where you just go and get what you need and then get out, because you felt like.
Yeah.
Okay.
Do you see the little cages?
There is cages, but those ones, the one that they have is the smaller ones.
Okay, no. Go through like the little stuff.
Alright, them boys about to sleep good today. I got them their bedding, and I got them some snacks. This by itself, I think that was like $19. Let me see. Yep. Right there, 1808. So yeah, if you have pets, just know this is what you will be paying. Alright. Why does it feel like moving that car? It's weird. I'm gonna pass at Chipotle and grab me some to eat. For some reason I feel a little bit hungry, so we're just gonna go there and grab a little bit of something to eat and then go home after, because I'm hungry. I don't know why I'm hungry right now, but I guess that was for me to be hungry. So we're gonna go in there, grab something to eat, probably grab a small bowl of food, and then yeah, we're gonna get brown rice, chicken, and probably chicken and steak. Maybe not. God, that's a wide ass turn. So yeah, let's go in there and grab that and then get out and go home. So, like I said, I wanted to get some Chipotle. So I got me some Chipotle today. So now I'm gonna take my ass back home. And then after that, I'm gonna go and clean up everything. I know the person that was behind me is shitting brake right now. Alright, so we're gonna go home. I think first I'm gonna clean the low Cajun area. Then after that I'm gonna eat. Or maybe I might do the opposite of that. I ain't gonna lie. I kinda wanna go bowling. This is the bowling alley over there. Bolero. It's in such a bad spot that it's not visible to people. I never know there was like a bowling alley around here. And if I would go bowling, guess where I would go? I would go all the way to Orlando area, like all the way inside of, you know, in the heart of the touristic area. I'll go to the Arthur Gun just to go bowling. Where else would I go? I don't remember. That's the crazy thing. I don't actually remember. But yeah, it's in such a bad spot. It's not where people can see it. But with that being said, let's go home and then chill, clean the bedding, and then after that do some else. So right now I'm currently recording with my built-in mic that's in my camera. I don't know how the sound is. Hopefully it is great. But I have my Rode mic over here. I'm gonna swap it out just for now because I feel like my camera is naked. I don't like the idea of having just the little wind piece on top, but I'm gonna switch it out to that, and then yeah, little drive back home gonna be nice. Yeah. All right, now that's way better. I just changed my mic. Now I feel like my cam is not naked anymore. Cause before that, I feel like I had nothing in my hand. But now I feel a little bit more comfortable with it. Cause not like I want to have something that look huge in my hand, but at the same time, I want to have the feeling that I'm holding a camera with a mic. Right, so the goal is to clean out the cage. So this is me pretty much showing you guys the hamster. Kind of like play with them a little bit and see what they got going on. This one has 2 kids, so I'm gonna move the babies. I move her out and move everything outside of the cage, taking her toys, you know, all that, her little babies. I put them separately, and we're just gonna take everything out. Like, this is a process that I hate doing the most because you have to pretty much take everything out, and it stinks. Look at my nephew on the side. So this stinks. Everything pretty much stinks. They poop in there, so I have to pretty much clean everything so it can be fresh for them. The little tube things, they hold a lot of debris and dirty stuff, so it's kind of like hard to get it done sometimes. So this is me pretty much putting the bedding in the little cage holder. So this process is pretty easy. You clean everything, you wipe it down, make sure there's no water in the little plate. I call it a plate, but if you're paying attention, you'll see exactly what it is. Put enough so for them to be able to move around. Put all the toys back in. Those are low ladder. I call them ladder, but they tubing. So the hamster goes inside of them, go in the top just to look around. And sometimes they play. Sometimes they play hide and seek. Sometimes they will go on the top, run around and all that. So I put her little wheel toys back in there. Put the food back in there, and the water jug, put it back in there. Now I'm gonna move her back in the cage, let her chill a little bit. And this is the babies. 2 of them, the 2 gray ones, are her babies, and the other one her another one. So this is her just roaming around and exploring it. So this is the grandmother, this is the grandma, this is um, the other one moms. She looked nice. Her name is Chipita. She is very interesting, but lately she's been nothing but a B word, and I do not like her like that because she bite. She bite like crazy. If she bites you, you're gonna bleed. So I'm gonna clean her cage. She has this little ball that she goes inside of it. You see, most of the tubing has really bad debris, and it stinks. So that's me. Pretty much do a little bit of cleaning, taking some poop out. Ugh. And this is her little tube. This process, I do not like this cage at all because it's hard to take off. This side is the worst thing to take out. I do not like doing it. So I'm gonna take everything apart, take it to the bathroom and clean them out, and later on put them right back together. She like her cage, so she like it. I make sure that it's clean for her. So with that being said, let's go and clean it and then see how it goes. The top, you don't have to clean the top because it's just the top, but the bottom you have to clean it nice and neat. Take every dirt out. After I got done with the cage, you see, I'll wipe it down, make sure there is no water in there. Just wipe it down clean. You don't have to blow dry it or anything, but just make sure you wipe it down because they do not like the water to touch their fur, and they hate that. So just to be cautious, make sure you wipe it down, put in some bedding for her, and then reattach everything exactly what they're supposed to. Like I said, I do not like this cage, so I have to do everything as slow as possible just to make sure everything goes exactly where they're supposed to go. I don't give her that much bedding because she don't like it like that, and it's only her in the cage. So I give her just enough for herself so she can have space to run around. This is her little wheel. I had to take the wheel down and grease it because it was making noise, and it works perfectly. Put her little look over together. Attach all the pipe pieces, the sides. This is the part that I hate doing. It's annoying. Sometimes it's easy, sometimes it's not easy. I was still trying to figure out exactly how to do it, but I got it done. I'm going to take her and play with her a little bit and then move her back. And I'm going to put her little lookout. Watch my finger because I did not want her to bite me. Right there, I was being very cautious. You see, she goes all the way on the top to look outside and stuff. So I put the food back in there. Food is back in there. Put the little top for the ball so she can. You see, she's waiting on it. Put her back in there. Put the ball back in, and then all she has to do is just look around, enjoy the moment, and then besides that, that's it. She's a little bit quiet lately, but so yeah. So I'm about to give them all a sand bath. Right there, I put all the other ones. Those are the males. I just put the males. There's 4 of them. They are very cute. There's 4 of them. So I put all 4 of them to take a bath. So hamster likes to hang out and bath stuff. So I just put them all in there. All 4 of them are male. They are not to be. You cannot put them next to the female because they can get them pregnant. So I move them around and just put them in there, and so they can chill and take a shower. Every time I come here, she's talking about. Yeah, we still going. How's it going?
Mom. How's it going? Okay, yeah, so
That's what I was saying.
oh shit, it's right here. This one or this one? Sinus severe. No, it's this one. Cold and flu. Okay.
I'm gonna go check the protein area in this up somewhere. But I cannot. Wait, maybe I can. Okay. Red, white, and blue. Alright, so we're gonna pick a protein. We got this big tub. This is what I'm buying. This thing costs $20-some. What happened?
I wanted to try.
I hope this make me bigger. Give me bigger muscle. You feel me? It says serious mass. So what I'm thinking is, like it's gonna make you like huge, you know? So let's hope so. But inverted poop. Yep. I'll put that bad boy in the oven and let it cook. And I got me some new protein, which was $28 for the tub. So
They don't love you like I love you.
let's just say I just spent some money that was meant to be spent on some good stuff.
Yep.
So right here we have 50 grams. Yeah, that's normal. Late night burger, protein shake. That's what we having tonight. That's pretty much it for today.